Unraveling, instantly, master English timing expressions. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a word that can spark a lot of questions in the world of English learning. Instantly. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a powerful little word. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add instantly to your vocabulary toolbox and use it well, instantly. Let's get to the heart of it. The word instantly is an adverb, and it describes something happening immediately or without delay. When you use instantly, you're saying that an action happens right away, in a snap, with no waiting period. It's like the difference between sending a letter and sending a text message. The latter is practically instantaneous. Now, let's see instantly in action. Imagine you're watching a magician who makes a rabbit appear instantly from an empty hat. Here, instantly tells us that the rabbit appeared as soon as the magician waved his wand. There was no waiting. But instantly isn't just for magicians. If you press a light switch, the room is illuminated instantly. You press, and boom, there's light. No pause, no buffering. Using instantly in sentences can change the entire meaning. Compare these two. 1. He started to feel better after taking the medicine. 2. He started to feel better instantly after taking the medicine. The second sentence tells us that the medicine had an immediate effect. That word, instantly, has a lot of power, doesn't it? Even advanced English learners can slip up here. A common mistake is using instantly when the action isn't truly immediate. If you say, "I learned to play the piano instantly," it's likely not accurate, unless you're a prodigy. Learning an instrument takes time, so gradually would be a more appropriate word. Also, don't confuse instantly with constantly, which means happening continuously over a period of time. Very different. And just like that, you're now more familiar with the word instantly. Remember, it's all about immediacy and speed. Use it to convey actions that happen right away, and watch your English fluency grow, perhaps not instantly, but certainly more confidently. Until our next video, keep practicing, and see how you can incorporate instantly into your conversations. Happy learning!